In this video, I'm gonna show you 6 different ways I use to personally make around $50 per day using nothing but Coinbase. And no, this isn't a get-rich-quick trick. These are real methods built directly into Coinbase's ecosystem. And a few of them are strategies most people overlook. Some of these methods are fully passive, while others require a little more effort. Now, obviously, the amount of capital you have will change how much you can make. But the goal of this video is to show you the exact framework I use, so you can apply it to whatever level you're starting from. And by the end of this video, you'll know which of these strategies are the lowest risk, which ones require more capital, and which one I personally think is the most underrated way to make money on Coinbase. And interestingly, the amount of activity happening on Coinbase has been picking up recently. The Coinbase Bitcoin Premium Index has surged multiple times over the last few weeks, and the total trading volume on the platform has been climbing. Both signs that demand is increasing on the exchange. And the momentum itself is happening while Coinbase continues expanding its ecosystem, adding more assets, growing subscription revenue, and increasing the number of opportunities available across its ecosystem. So let's start with the most passive method first, USDC Yield. This strategy is relatively low risk, but does require significant capital. At the current rate of 3.5% APY, around $520,000 worth of USDC could generate roughly $18,000 per year, which comes to around $50 per day. Now, obviously, not everybody has $500,000 laying around, but the same concept applies whether you have $1,000 or $100,000. All you have to do is hold USDC on Coinbase and have an active Coinbase One membership for $4.99 a month, and your rewards will begin accruing automatically. If you're willing to take on slightly more risk, Coinbase also lets you lend USDC through DeFi vaults powered by Morpho, and it only takes a few clicks to get started. Because these use smart contracts and lend to the borrowers, they can offer higher rates than your standard USDCY yield. I personally choose to receive my rewards in Bitcoin instead of USDC, which adds upside if Bitcoin rises, but it also introduces the volatility. All right, let's move on to the second method, staking. On Coinbase, it is simple. You just choose a supported asset, enable staking, and your rewards will begin accruing automatically. Instead of keeping your money in stablecoins like USDC, you can stake certain cryptocurrencies and earn passive rewards, sometimes reaching double-digit APYs depending on the asset. At a reward rate around 14.22% from staking Cosmos, you'll need around $128,000 worth of Cosmos tokens staked to generate around $50 per day. Just keep in mind that the yield might be higher, but the underlying crypto price can move significantly. Now, those first two methods require a significant amount of capital, but this third method is different. It's about saving money when you spend. The Coinbase One card. With this credit card, you can earn up to 4% Bitcoin back on everyday purchases, depending on how much you hold on Coinbase. You do need an active Coinbase One membership on the annual plan, which costs roughly $50 per year, but it'll quickly pay for itself. And it also comes with perks like account protection, boosted stake and rewards, and a few other benefits. For this low-risk credit card example, if you spend $2,000 per month, earning 4% back would give you around $80 worth of Bitcoin, which will start adding up over time. Now, real quick, before I go into the high-risk methods, if you're excited, make sure you subscribe for more content like this. And smash that like for Pup Tux. He wants $50 a day in dog treats. All right. Let's get into the bread and the butter, the medium to the high risk portion. Method number 4, active trading strategies.
I think that Bitcoin could hit $1 million by 2030. I still think that's true.
And when you hear predictions like that, it's no surprise that traders look for ways to amplify those moves, which brings us into derivatives. Derivatives allow you to trade the price movement of an asset like Bitcoin without actually owning it. By going long, you can profit whenever the price rises, but by going short, you can profit if it lowers. Because derivatives use margin and leverage, the same mechanics that can amplify profits can also amplify the losses. On Coinbase, you can trade up to 10x leverage on gold, silver, natural gas, or even your favorite cryptocurrencies. And if you don't want to use leverage, you can always stick to spot buying. Dollar cost averaging has historically been one of the most reliable long-term strategies for most investors. On Coinbase, you can even set up recurring buys on your favorite coins for as little as $1 per day. This demo walks you through step by step how to continuously accumulate crypto without even thinking about it. But if you prefer strategies that require a bit more thinking and timing, then prediction markets might be a thing. Instead of odds being set by a sports book, prediction markets let the crowd set the price. That means you can trade real-world outcomes, from Bitcoin prices to sports and politics, and profit if your prediction turns out to be true. And as prediction markets keep gaining traction, Coinbase is now bringing them to users across all 50 states. Now, this last active trading strategy involves stocks. Coinbase has expanded beyond crypto with its recent launch of trading stocks. Eligible US users can trade fractional shares starting at just $1 with zero commissions and extended 24/5 trading hours. That means you can now manage both your crypto and your traditional investments in one unified portfolio without constantly switching between the apps. Now, the fifth method of generating around $50 per day is token sales, and this definitely is one of the highest risk strategies. Coinbase now allows users to participate in the token sales, giving you the chance to purchase new cryptocurrencies directly from the issuer before they officially list on the exchange. Here's an example. Coinbase featured Monad, a new layer 1 blockchain that priced its token at 0.025 cents and saw over $276 million in demand. Just days after the launch, Monad briefly surged to an all-time high, turning those pre-sale allocations into roughly a 2x return in only 48 hours. Now, Monad has been the only token sale so far, so make sure you set those alerts and I'll tell you whether I'm participating in the next one. Now, this final strategy is one that a lot of people completely overlook. DeFi. By lending assets through protocols like Morpho, users can earn higher rewards than traditional staking, though it does come with additional smart contract risk. Morpho Vault deposits have already surpassed over $1 billion, and Coinbase even allows users to borrow USDC using Bitcoin as collateral through these markets. Meanwhile, Aerodrome acts as a primary liquidity layer for Coinbase's base ecosystem, which has quickly grown into one of the largest blockchains by total value locked. And you can see how quickly this sector is growing. Real-world asset collateral on Morpho has gone from zero to over $330 million in just the past year. And those are the 6 different ways I personally use to generate income using Coinbase's ecosystem. Here's a quick reference showing all 6 methods based on capital required and the risk exposure.
Coinbase is actually powering infrastructure for 5 of the largest banks in the world right now.
Coinbase is quickly evolving and has started recently integrating AI agents that can actually manage wallets and transact on-chain autonomously. As Brian Armstrong recently pointed out, there could soon be more AI agents making transactions than humans. Since agents can't open bank accounts, but they can own crypto wallets, this could unlock an entirely new wave of economic activity on-chain. If you want me to break down how agentic wallets and AI-driven trading can change the future of crypto, let me know in the comments below. If you don't already have a Coinbase account, I'll leave a referral link in the description below. When you sign up with that link and make your first crypto purchase, we'll both receive $10 in Bitcoin. Now, if you're already using Coinbase and also want to support my channel, I'll also leave a Coinbase Advanced link below. I earn a small percentage of the trading fees at no extra cost to you. I dropped a base ecosystem deep dive that dives into those altcoins built in the base ecosystem. I'll link it right here. I'm curious, which of these 6 strategies are you most interested in trying? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next deep dive.